like to go through the bubbles, yeah. And this is going to be my first e-bike ride of the year. It's quite cold, it's about 0 or -1 degree. I wanted to stop to pump the tires. The weather is not bad, there's some fog, but it's okay. The bike is quite strange. I feel like heavy because of the tires. I hope you all had a great New Year Eve. In Poland we didn't celebrate. We were like forbidden to go out after 6 p.m. So we stayed at home. There was some nice fireworks, but not a big celebration this year. I need to move, it's getting cold here. I hope you can hear the audio well. Using my old Sony camera to record the audio. And for the pictures I'm using the new GoPro 9. It's weird because we cannot connect microphones in the GoPro. The new GoPro you need like the media mode, otherwise the microphone doesn't work, and I'm not sure if it will work with a mask. So I decided to use my old camera to record the audio. Let me try to put the camera a bit up. Yeah, maybe it's better. Come on, let's go, let's go. Let's move. Yeah, that's a good thing about bikes. You can always find a small place. Yeah, you see? Faster than a car. Okay, the gas station is in the other side, so I'm going to cross here. Oh, there is always somebody by the pump. I don't know if this guy is going to use. I think not. So I will. First the front one. I'm not sure I'm gonna make it with gloves and the microphone connected here. Let's see. 2.8, 2.9, and should be ready now. Okay, here we are. Now the rear. There we go. Done. Przepraszam, pan czekał?
Tak.
Kurde, bardzo przepraszam.
Nie pana, mi się...
Ja widziałem pan, ale
Nie, porządku.
bardzo przepraszam.
Nie ma za co.
Do widzenia. Okay, the guy was waiting and I didn't realize that. It's really bad. Okay, much better now. So, going back, going to visit the usual place. Some people walking. But not many people today. I don't know if there is any way to get down here. Perhaps I have to go. Oh yeah, come on. Really? Shall I try it or shall I go back? Okay, let me try something different. Yeah. I haven't used this bike for some time, and honestly I feel really weird now. I was riding the mountain bike for the last month. This one, the position is completely different, and I feel strange here. I don't know. I'm not feeling really safe, to be honest. Going by the river. I know it will be a little colder, but it's a nice place. I always like to go there, so why not today, just to see how it looks like, if there is some people there. Stay green, please. I will make it. No, I will not make it. The weather's not bad. Nice day for a bike ride. I enjoy riding my yellow custom bike, like a chopper. Oh yeah, that's nice. I like hanging like this, and the position, it's completely different. It's really cool. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's cold, but anyway, there are some people here. 36, 37, 38. It's not going faster than 38. Hell yeah! Woo! I feel so cold. Yee-hoo. The battery is going down quite faster than usual. Maybe because it's cold. But now I have about, I don't know, 50%. Look, maybe it's cold and the battery is behaving differently. Anyway, I'm thinking to do a new video of like 1 year, this e-bike 1 year later. The things that have changed, things that got broken. Actually, nothing was broken, just the grips are going to be replaced soon, but apart of that, everything is good, nothing broken. Look at that guy, the guy on t-shirt, can you believe that? Like -1 degrees, and the guy is wearing t-shirt. Boy, no way. Amazing. Crazy guy. Hey man, what are you doing? Let's go, keep it moving. No matter when, they just don't respect the bicycle lanes. And here we are again. Let's check the old town, the Christmas decoration. Yeah, I definitely should come here in the evening. Okay, probably should go out here. It is doing some strange noise. I just reinstalled the fenders, and now I can hear some strange sounds, and I don't like it. I don't like how they look like. For me, they look ugly, and actually they sound very ugly as well. So I can't wait for the spring to remove them, because I cannot use during the winter without fenders. Can you hear that? That's awful. And here we are, the old town again. Always the same place. Of people here. Was not expecting to see so many people. Yeah, I like to go through the bubbles. Yeah. Always nice to visit this place, the unknown soldier. Oh, they just changed the guards. What a pity. Oh no, they're going now. And it's always nice to watch it. I'm not sure I can stay behind, so they are going to be there. Let's see.
Kenda, za mną! Marsz!
It's always nice to go out, even if it's cold. Oh, the guy is not cold at all. I'm getting cold with a lot of clothes, so I can't understand that. I'm not far from my home. Going this way, should be there in 5 minutes. There is no traffic, so it will be fast. Okay, here we go. Yeah, not too fast anymore, this bike. I got used to 1K. Now going down, it's weird. Woo. All lights are red. Amazing, amazing. Oh, okay. Not saying anything anymore. That one is green. Am I going to make it? Let's see. Yes, I will. Okay, and green light. Not sure I will make it on time. Probably not. Oh, probably yes. Now. Okay, let's go. I probably will have to invest in a better microphone or something like that. I'm not sure how it sounds like, so I will find out soon. And if I'm going to keep this format, this video format, I probably will need a better microphone. Okay, people, that's it for today. I'm getting back home. We had a cool ride and Happy New Year, very Happy New Year. I hope we're gonna get rid of this shit virus and start moving again. So, Happy New Year for everyone. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. Cheers and see you next time.